Hello, sound check, sound check.
Latency check 1, 2.
Checking 1, 2, 3.
Ano pare? Game na?
Game?
Ayan, lumitaw na. Recording audio through USB. Okay yan.
So, recording na? Rolling na? Okay. Good day everyone. Welcome to Reforge. So, today, we're going to discuss ulitin mo nga pare.
Sige lang. Hindi, tuloy mo lang.
Hindi, ulitin na lang,
one.
ulitin na lang. Teka. Medyo na bubulol ako.
Na ano ka na,
konti.
na.
Scripted kasi. Teka. Good day everyone. Welcome to Reforge. So, ngayon po, ipapaliwanag lang po namin what this page is all about, what the vlog is all about. So, by the way, kilala muna tayo pare, para makilala tayo ng mga
Siyempre,
ka-Reforgers natin.
nagtataka yung mga yun. Ba't ba may ganito?
Sino ba itong dalawang
Oo.
guwapo na to?
Sige pare, pangunahan mo.
Okay, so ako nga pala si Eugene. So, ako po ang inyong kasama sa Reforge na magpapabago po ng ating pong mindset about life and
Yo.
business. So, ako po ay isang college instructor by profession, and isa rin po sa mga hilig ko talaga is ang pagbibigay ng mga valuable information, especially sa finance and sa business. And of course, with me is my best friend. Alam niya po na hindi ko po talaga forte nung una ang pagtuturo. Ayaw ko nga magsalita sa harap.
Mahihain.
Ayaw ko mag-recite. Yan. So kami po ay medyo mga school bukol. Pero hindi po ito naging balakid para sa kung ano man po ang mga kasalukuyang nakamit namin sa buhay. Hindi po kami successful.
Wala pa. Hindi po kami milyonaryo. Baka isipin nyo.
Hindi pa po kami successful. Pero of course, ginagawa po namin yung aming mga, sa tingin namin ay somehow makakatulong naman po sa mga nanonood at nag-i-inspire or nag-a-aspire na magkaroon ng pagbabago sa kanilang buhay. So ikaw
Tama.
naman pare.
Hi guys, ako nga pala si Jethro Bill and I am the owner of the page, itong Reforge. Ako yung originator nito. So, yun. Kinonta ko lang si Eugene para mag-collaborate dahil nga nakita ko medyo same kami ng gusto na ilabas na content, valuable content actually. Yun yung pinaka gusto nating ilabas talaga dito eh. So yun, currently ako po ay isang aviation professional with 7 years experience na working sa Manila. And then, pero hindi po ako dun talaga nagsimula. Nagsimula ako alam mo naman, sa mga hindi naman minamaliit, pero I started from the ano ba tawag dito? Ano ba pwede tawag?
Nag-start na, lahat naman tayo, nag-start from a minimum wage.
Oo, yun, tama.
Yan.
Nag-work po ako as a promodizer sa isang kilalang mall dito sa ating bansa. Pag sinabi mo pa lang na mall, yun na agad yun naisip mo
Yan,
pa.
dalawa lang yan eh.
Dalawa lang yan.
So, doon po siya sa isa.
Yun.
Yung mga pangmasa po. Yan.
Basta doon po tayo.
Doon po
yan.
siya sa masa.
Yun.
Ayan.
Sa masarap.
Yan.
Yan. So yun po. Yun ako. Ako po si Jethro Bill. Again, ako po yung co-founder actually ng Reforge. So, yun po.
Okay, so, yan pala pare, no? So, matanong lang natin. Of course, curious din yung ating mga audiences. Kung ano bang meron dito sa page natin. I mean, what made you or what gave you the concept of Reforge?
Yung
Or why
idea?
did you create Reforge, pare?
Ba, nung nagana sa
Yes.
akin. So yun, honestly talaga ang Reforge is personal ko lang to eh. Kumbaga trip lang.
Okay.
Bakit, kamo? Ba't mo naisipan? Kasi gusto kong i-share yung kung ano ako, yung nasa loob ko na creativity, yung thoughts ko, gusto ko i-share. So bakit pwede naman sa sarili kong page di ba?
Tama.
Sa totoo lang, pwede naman sa sarili kong account. Pero sabi ko, parang mas maganda experiment ko rin na create ako ng page, doon ko ilabas yung mga ko. At the same time, pwede ako mag-invite ng mga friends ko and same minded people na
Okay,
katulad
good.
ko na pwede kami maglabas doon ng mga eto,
Yes.
Ito, nangyari sa
Pero
akin.
actually, no, isingit lang natin.
Mm.
Sa Facebook page kasi, usually yun naman ang intention di ba?
Mm.
Pag gumagawa ka ng isang page, nagbi-build ka ng isang community of the same group of
Community,
people, di ba? Na, kumbaga, yung pare-pareho ng gusto,
Oo,
pare-pareho ng
interest.
hilig,
Oo.
ng interest. So, it's good that you decided to create a page
Mm.
para, kumbaga, ma-target natin yung mga people that is looking forward to change their lives,
Mm.
their perspective in life, their mindset.
Oo. To share din.
Yan. So, somehow maganda yung idea ng Reforge, no?
Mm.
Okay.
Kaya naman reforge, pre, kasi reforge meaning to create again, di ba? To renew,
Yan.
to parang i-revisa mo.
Correct.
Baguhin, parang ganyan. So yun, reforge your mind, reforge your... Kung ano ka ngayon, hindi pa yun yung final mo eh.
Yes.
I-reforge mo to something better.
Correct. Good.
Hence the name, Reforge.
Okay. So, actually, yun naman, I am not the founder of Reforge. So, siya po ang founder talaga niyan. So, basically, I was just I was just invited to be a collaborator dito po sa Reforge. But hence the name Reforge, dun pa lang, when we decided na mag-collab, actually, tinanong mo ako nun, di ba, kung gusto ba nating palitan yung pangalan. Kasi he was also considering kung may idea ba ako na baka gusto naming palitan yung name or palitan yung image. And I said no. Actually, the name Reforge itself is good.
Mm.
Kasi 'di ba, it's about changing people's life And somehow naging align siya sa mga goals ko rin.
Advocacy
Yes.
mo no, pre?
So, sa school, alam naman ng majority ng mga students ko rin that one of my advocacies is really financial literacy. Because alam naman po natin, pagdating sa pera, medyo hindi aware ang tao.
Lalo dito
Diba?
sa atin, pre.
Ang alam
Sa-
lang kasi natin is the typical, mag-save ka,
Yun na
diba?
yun.
Para pag may problema, may pera ka.
Trabaho
That's it.
ka, yun.
But the truth is, money is more than that.
Mm.
May mga other means pa di ba? To earn money. At the same time, yung concept natin when it comes to investment, napakababaw.
Mm.
Di ba? We sometimes associate investment with savings, which is wrong. Di ba? So, ako, siguro in line with my advocacy of financial literacy, of course, nandun yung gusto kong baguhin yung kanilang mindset about money. That you don't have to be rich in order to obtain big amounts of money. You just have to understand kung paano yung process na to. So, when you say na gusto mo ko isama sa Reforge, somehow, na-entice mo kagad ako kasi hindi mo pa pinapaliwanag sa akin what Reforge is, but somehow, the concept itself, the name itself, nandun na yung changing the mindset. So sabi ko, I think this can be a tool for my advocacy about financial literacy. And I also believe na through the means of social media, you know, when it comes to social media, somehow 50-50 din naman ako dyan. Kasi there are times that we can use social media for good things. But
Minsan
most of the time,
nakakasama.
nakakasama din. Dito, by using Reforge, I think this is a good community that we can build if ever that people will start to follow. Kasi ako, I think this is not only about changing their perspective, diba? Not only in the aspect of life, but also in the aspect of finance. Kasi, you know, finance is all about discipline.
Tama.
Diba?
Tsaka pre, it's not about the two of us talking lang. Sinashare din natin yung experience na narinig natin from our friends. Tapos, also yung audience natin, pwede rin sila mag-comment or mag-share ng personal experiences nila.
If they have questions with relates to business finance, they could ask us, or if they could ask you, like for example, anything. Basically, my best friend here knows about video editing, diba?
A little bit of
Also,
that.
our back support. Diba? We also have a back support which basically knows
Director natin yan.
which basically knows everything, anything about freelancing. So,
yan.
so maybe we can tackle that someday,
in the
diba?
future, I'm sure. Lalo ngayon, marami nang namumulat sa freelance work.
Speaking of expectation, what do you think should people expect from this page, this
Sige.
vlog?
Ako, masasabi ko siguro, people can expect a variety of content.
Yes.
Kasi, alam niyo na nga, nabanggit mo na rin, ikaw yung sa technical, financial side, financial literacy, ikaw yan Yan yung forte mo. Ako naman, I bring what? A little bit of creativity, anything, So, anyone can enjoy our pages. So talagang...
It's like, di ba? The left and the right side of the
Oo,
brain.
para kang umattend sa birthday, pili ka na lang
Yes.
gusto mo kainin, di ba?
Okay.
Di ba?
Yes, but actually, this is good, no? Sabi nga nila, there's unity in diversity.
Tama.
Diba? So, despite the differences,
Oo.
we don't use those differences as a means for us para lalong hindi magkasundo.
Parang hindrance pa.
Yes, but we can use that diversification kumbaga as a means para yung kung ano man yung lack ng isa, the other can compensate.
To compensate.
Diba? And honestly, with all honesty, hindi talaga po ako creative type. So, this content, yung pagbuo nito, it was not actually me. I am just more on the talking side. Pero, of course, tulad nga yan, so the good thing about the collaboration is that, of course, if medyo magiging technical tayo in the future, maybe
Nandiyan
I could
diba?
also answer some of the questions. And also, ayan, one of the things is yung mga data analysis.
Yes.
Diba?
May experience siya dyan.
Yan, Microsoft Excel, something like that. More on the logical aspect ako, the boring side of the story.
So, mas makikilala nyo pa po kami in the coming episodes of Reforge, the podcast. Kaya I'm very excited din to hear from you guys kung ano ba yung feedback nyo. Parang more pa ba o ano? Ano bang gusto nyo pag-usapan?
And also, as a part of our expectation pala, no, let me just add that in the future, expect that there are real people from real industries that will be visiting us, diba? Of course, this is not only about the perspective of the two of us. Kasi we might have some knowledge na hindi naman din namin.
Tsaka hindi naman lahat ng sinasabi nito natin, pre, yun na yung tama.
Yes.
So, we're open for learning nga.
Yes,
kasi nga, Reforge nga eh.
Yes, we will be inviting some people, prominent people, that will be guesting here. It could be a business owner, diba? It could be
an artist.
It could also be a
freelancer.
A rider, diba? We have to get all those perspective kung ano ba yung, like for example, if we're going to talk about life, ano ba yung naging perspective niya sa buhay, so that we could also see the reason behind those successes of their life, diba?
Then learn, diba?
Yes, we can learn from that.
Tama.
So, na yung mga nanonood natin, the Reforgers, will get something from the video. At the same time, tayo rin. Diba? We can get something from them.
Kasi both ways nga ito.
Yes.
Tama.
So anyway, is there anything na we would like to promote?
Ako, if you want to follow me on my socials, I am Jetroville. Yun yung pangalan in Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So, wala naman mga creative, ko lang yun, mga post lang, something lang to know me better. If you want lang, pero you don't really have to. Pero kung gusto nyo, thank you.
And also, we will just put it on the description below so that you can check the link. So ako naman po, if you want to follow me on Facebook and TikTok, so basically, I am really advocating financial literacy. Most of my followers are actually my students, but of course,
open for
kayo rin po can learn from my video. But to be more exact, mas magiging active po kasi ako dito sa Reforge. Because I think this will be more beneficial. But of course, if I also have my free time, I will probably upload kasi medyo natigil. So, but in the future, expect that I will be uploading more financial videos or about entrepreneurship. Okay?
Tapos, we're also open po in the future for collaborators. If you want to send your art or your thoughts, creative or anything informative, send nyo lang po sa amin, mag-message po kayo sa amin, and we'll see what we can do with it. Maybe we can do a collaboration or you can jump into the podcast po with us.
Yes, also yung sa podcast, no? So, if ever, we will also upload this
Tama, hindi lang
audio
dito.
in our podcast. Because who knows, diba? We have to reach a lot of people. And also, another thing, no? Baka akala po ng audience natin tayo po ay may tinitinda.
Wala.
Yan.
Wala po. Wala kaming
Okay.
academy, wala kaming libro, wala kaming merch.
Ito po
Sa
ay
ngayon,
mga
joke.
binabasa lang po namin.
Wala po.
Okay.
Ito po ay libre.
Yes. So basically, tanong, what do we benefit from this? Hindi naman tayo kumikita dito.
Ikaw?
Okay. Ako personally, there's no money involved here, di ba?
Wala talaga.
But
Hindi kita
basically-
binabayaran pre ha para
Yes. Except the pizza and
yun.
Thank
The
you,
snack no?
Okay. But honestly, we don't expect any monetization from this video. What we are just expecting here is the help that we can provide. Because again, for me, if you've seen our video about grit,
Grit.
right?
Ito, grit.
Ako naman, what I like about grit, kasi I like the word perseverance and passion. So it's turned into one.
Tama.
Passion drives perseverance. Perseverance, sometimes it drives passion. Nakafocus ka sa goal mo. Diba? Parang, sabi ng tropa mo,
Pare, huwag mo nang pagpatuloy yan. Naku, kawawa ka na.
despite those negativity, still, ang nasa isip mo, paano pag tama ako?
Paano kung isang ganun na lang ginto na?
It's like proving them wrong. Yan ang grit.
Grit.
Kaya, it's on the
Ayan.
top screen.
Grit.
Okay. So, if you've seen our video about grit, basically, this is all about passion. Sometimes, if you're passionate about
Passion,
things, it doesn't
Kahit wala
matter
na,
if there's
oo.
something in return. What matters is the fulfillment that it gives you.
The act of
diba?
doing it
Yes.
alone is
The
fulfilling.
fulfillment of the act itself because you provided value for your for the customers, either for other people.
Tsaka na-release mo
Yes.
yung gusto
Because
mo.
ako naniniwala ako na God gave us a purpose, right?
Yun.
Like for example, hindi kanya ginawang magaling sa finance because He knows na iba ang purpose mo sa life. Ganon din naman ako. Hindi ako ginawang creative ni God because He knows that it's not me. It's not my personality and it's not my purpose.
Iba-iba tayo
Dito tayo, naging pareho tayo sa pagiging kolokoy
Oo.
Diba?
Doon doon tayo nag-unite.
nag-unite. Doon medyo one mind tayo doon sa
Yun.
pagtaka sa klase.
Tama.
Yeah,
Mag-absent. Pero wag niyo siyempre
Okay.
gagayahin.
So, shout out po kay Sir Frank Miano. So, hindi po kami nagsasabi dito ng diploma o diskarte.
Yan.
Okay. Pero, what we're just saying is,
namin yan sa susunod.
ayan. So, later on, i-discuss naman namin yung topic about the reforge in our lives. Paano kami nagkaroon ng changes? Because again, me and Jetro, we did not really, we are not the
We're
studios
not,
type,
oo.
di ba? So, hindi naman tayo yung pang honor roll, naka-receive ng maraming
Oh,
awards.
last section nga ako pre lagi.
Ang pinagtatalunan lang po namin ni Jetro is kung sino po mahuhuli sa top.
Yun.
Yan.
Wag lang ka mahuli.
Yun lang po. ang-
Masaya na kami dun.
maging pangatlo lang sa uli. So, basically, here in The Forge, we just want to give value to the people at the same time to promote the well-being of
Opo,
others.
yeah.
So, wala po kaming binibenta sa ngayon, but of course, we're open for collaborations.
Opo. Maybe in the
And-
future, far in the
Yes,
future.
and expect that there are more
More
people,
valuable,
more prominent people
Prominent,
that will be involved here in our page. Yeah.
More valuable content coming your way po. So yun, expect us to upload at least one podcast a month. Tama ba, pre?
Yes. Tingnan muna natin yung
Tingnan
magiging
muna natin,
reaction ng tao.
Pag walang nanood, edi last nakakita na natin to.
Yeah.
So yun po. So I hope you will join us in this journey sa mga dadating pa na episodes natin.
Yes.
Pare, last closing remarks or quotes, baka meron ka.
Quotes that I can apply for my real life is siguro yung best piece of advice na binigay ni Andrew Carnegie, which is avoid unlucky people. Yan. So,
Avoid unlucky people.
yes. For me, honestly, siguro masasabi natin that there are circumstances na hindi natin makokontrol, di ba? Out of our control.
Wala na sa'yo yung bola.
Yes. But ako, I also believe that even if sometimes hindi pumabor sa atin ng buhay, it doesn't necessarily mean na dapat maging dahilan to para lalo tayong malugmok o lalo tayong bumagsak. Diba? So for me, this is one of the reasons why our friendship is good Because I believe that
Talaga lang, ha?
you have to surround yourself with people that have the same mindset as you.
I agree.
Kasi ganito lang yan eh. Di ba pare, parang nung high school, bakit ba tayo school bukol?
Kasi school bukol yung mga kasama natin eh.
At the same time, pare-pareho tayo ng mindset
Yun, ganun tayo eh.
Di ba? Na parang, hayaan
Oo.
nyo na yung grade.
Oo, hayaan mo yan.
Ang mahalaga, masaya tayo.
Basta ako
Maglaro tayo.
magdodota
Yan.
ako, maglalaro ako.
Dota tayo, Counter-Strike.
Oo.
Shout out sa mga batang 90s.
Alam niyo na
Diba?
yan. Sugar Rooms, the
Oo.
whole.
Ibig sabihin lang, pare-pareho tayo ng mindset. It means during that time, yun ang gusto natin, kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng same actions. So, in real life, actually, as we grow old, ganun din yan eh. If you surround yourself with people that are somehow pessimistic, diba?
Negatibo lagi.
Lack of passion,
Oh.
lack of motivation.
Victim mindset. Oh.
Yan. I mean, if you surround yourself with these kinds of people, somehow na-adapt mo sila eh. 'Di ba? Even in workplace, ganun din naman eh. Sa workplace, 'di ba, minsan parang ang hirap baguhin ng isang sistema kasi yun ang nakasanayan.
Nakasanayan.
So somehow na-adapt mo rin siya. So I think that is the most important thing eh. We have to avoid unlucky people. Not because malas sila, but because of the mindset that they have. And they could actually drag us down as well. Dahil instead of working our way up, we are trying to be pessimistic about things na siguro hindi na talaga ako yayaman kasi ganito talaga ako. Siguro hindi na ako tatalino kasi lagi akong bagsak eh. I mean, why not put it the other way around? Ano ba ang naging pagkakamali ko? Bakit ako bumagsak? Baka doon ako kailangan mag-focus para makapasa. Mahirap na kami eh. Dati na pinanganak akong mahirap eh. This time siguro it's about time na baguhin ko naman yung estado ng buhay namin. Diba something like that? It's a matter of perspective eh. So I think this is all about avoiding the
Yun yung para sa'yo.
unlucky people or avoiding the people with a negative mindset.
Tama.
Yeah. So ikaw
Layo ko
pare.
sa negative yan. Ako naman, nakalimutan ko lang kung sino talaga yung tao nagsabi. Pero, yung quote na, the magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Ibig sabihin, may gusto kang mangyari. Pero may isa kang bagay na hindi mo ginagawa. Pag ginawa mo yun, dun na magsisimula yung hinahanap mo.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, sa madaling salita, just do it.
Yes.
Just start.
Very good.
Parang katulad nitong ginagawa natin, pare. Di ba? Ilang taon na natin iniisip na, ganto tayo, ganyan. Ngayon, just do it.
Yes.
Kasi yun nga, the magic you're looking for is in the work that you are avoiding.
Hey.
So yun, guys.
And sometimes, you don't know kung para sa iyo ang isang bagay unless you do
Ayun,
it.
malalaman mo kung ginawa mo
Yes.
Diba?
Actually, that's very
Tama.
powerful kasi ito yung sinasabi natin na sometimes you really have to move outside your comfort zone.
Para malaman.
Diba? Kasi tayo, we really like to do things
Safe.
repetitively, diba? We sometimes if there are certain changes, diba, medyo tatakot tayo. We're also afraid of judgment.
Guilty rin ako sa ganyan naman.
Yes, lahat naman tayo, pre. So, I think that's a very good, a powerful quote, diba? Yes.
So yun again, guys.
So, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. And again, this is Reforge. If you think this video gives you value, subscribe, like, and share.